Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I'm back here with one of my favorite hydrangeas, Froggy, and I want to talk with you about one of the problems you may run into with your Macrophylla hydrangea. Now, there's not really a lot that bother a Macrophylla hydrangea. They need a lot of water, you keep an eye on them, they do pretty well. However, when it comes to bugs, there is one that could be a little bit of a pest to you. But fortunately, it's not really going to hurt your hydrangea. Froggy has thrips, and thrips have become more of a problem in the last few years here in southern New England. They don't really kill your plant. They're not going to make it bloom less, which is great news. They do sort of make your foliage look a little weird. So if you take a look at some of the leaves here, you're going to see that some are sort of this funny cupped shape, and that's from your thrips. You really have healthy foliage where the leaves are all nice and flat. Now, most of the time you can just sort of let this go. It's not a huge, interruption to your plant. If you don't like the way it looks, you can use some type of all-natural spray that's for thrips. I'll link one down below that I use. This happens to be the only hydrangea that I'm seeing this on, so maybe Froggy is a favorite of the thrips too. I'm really pleased to see that it has lots of buds. So if you go out to your Macrophylla hydrangea and you notice that your leaves are looking strangely cupped, it probably is due to thrips. But don't worry, they're still going to look beautiful. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.